your feminine ass doing, bruh? I can understand you was out in public and you were just playing with yourself. I'm like, God, you know, give a put that dick away, man. Ain't nobody trying to see that. Yo, that's masculine. YouTube, what's good? Vinny Matthews here. Thanks for checking out the channel. And today we're going to be discussing the 5 things that men with long hair do that make them appear a bit feminine. Roll that intro. Fellas, welcome back, man. Thanks for checking me out, man. And you already know what we're going to talk about, okay? If you saw the last video, which is up here, we discussed if men with long hair is feminine. You already know the answer. No. But there are some certain cases that men do with long hair that make them appear a bit feminine. Now, there's nothing wrong with looking feminine. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong. That's your look. That's your look. But since this is a channel that we talk about image and then we talk about hair, we're going to discuss it all. Feminine, masculine, we'll discuss it all. But today we're talking about the things that you guys do with long hair that make you appear feminine. If you guys agree with me, hit that like button. And if you also agree with me or disagree, let me know in the comment box, man. We can discuss this right now. But right now, we're getting right into the video with number 1. Colorful rubber bands, bruh. Bruh, what are you doing with colorful rubber bands? Now, as a man, yo, we straight solid colors. Black, and black. That's the only color you should be rocking as a man. On your hair, that is. So, when you're coming on with these rainbow colors, red, blue, orange, green, a guy like me only have, you know, just one question to ask. Did they run out of black rubber bands, bruh? Why you got so many colors? Like, don't get me wrong, like, I get it. Now these days, people want to be all colorful, like Tekashi 6ix9ine, you know. Fifi got that wet, got that.
That jerk got that super soak. I hit that, she a Fifi, honey.
Blah, 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 blah. I don't know the words, but, you know, I do like this song. Now, think about it. When he first came out, people thought this dude was gay, but like I said, you know, if you're wearing colorful stuff in your hair, a real player might perceive you as, yo, this dude is feminine as fuck. He wants to stand out. He wants to be seen. But bro, like, yo, if you're an alpha, if you're a masculine man, you don't need that attention, man. You're gonna walk around as masculine as you can be because it comes natural to you. So you trying to do any more other stuff, like adding colorful rubber bands to you, it may come off a bit feminine. I'm just saying. You ain't gotta agree. But, you know, colorful rubber bands, it's a no-no. Thing number 2 that men do that make them appear a bit feminine with long hair is putting their hair up in a man bun. Now, I know. I'm a victim of this, man. Like, I wear the man bun a lot. I think it's dope, you know? Not every man that comes off with a man bun comes off as feminine. But people without hair, they just don't understand. So what they think in their mind is, oh, man, he put his hair up, he gay, he feminine. And that's not the case. Me, I have long hair. When I put my hair up, it's because I want that hair out my face, whether I'm going working out in the gym. I don't want to be flowing, like, nah. I want my hair to be up, out my way, so I can do my thing. But like I said, this is other people's perception of you. They might think it's gay, they might think it's feminine, you know? And if you gotta put the word man in front of a word, you know, just to make it seem a bit masculine, I get it. We already lost. So, you know, man bun, it can be feminine, I guess, depending on how you rock it. But me personally, I don't think it's feminine. But, you know, I do know when I see other guys with man bun, I kind of question it. You know, like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, that particular bun, bro. But, you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I am a victim to it, so can't really talk about it. But, you know, I do what the hell I want. Thing number 3 that makes men with long hair, in particular dreadlocks, seem a bit feminine is them little rings that they put in their hair. I have a picture right here. Yeah. Now, don't be wrong. When I first started growing my hair, I did have those things. Now, I thought they were dope. Now, the older that I get, I'm starting to realize there's really no men that wear that anymore. Why? Because it's a lot feminine. It's a whole lot. Yo, accessories on men, like an excessive accessories, like, yo, I see guys put it all over their hair, like, you know, on every other dread. I'm just like, man, what are we going for? Are we trying to look like the black Nubian princess? I mean, bro, like, you pretty as shit, bro. You cute, bro. Come on over here, bro. You cute. You real cute. You real cute. And that's an alpha masculine men. We're not trying to be cute, man. So yeah, I get it, man. It's cool, it's cute, man. But you know, if you're a pretty boy, you're a pretty boy. But there's a difference between being a pretty boy and feminism and femininity, femininity. There's a big difference. There's a big difference, and you know, it's right in between there. It's right in between. But me personally, as a grown man, I don't do it no more because I don't want to be questioned. Anything that I can stay away from being feminine, I just stay away of. So like, that's one thing that I do. Stay away from those little Nubian princesses. You know, I love your dreads. It's for women. Women put accessories in their hair. Leave it to the women, okay? Fourth thing that men do that make them appear a bit feminine is to, you know, when they have their hair down low and they do the little swoop swoop thing. You know, like it's a little part on the side and they swoop it. You know what I'm talking about? Let me show you right now. So here's my hair right now. Like this is just down. But when guys do that little swoop swoop swoop, you see that? You see that? See how the hair's like kind of in my face now? That can be a bit questionable. Why? You know, like you know the group Vinny, Milli Vanilli, whatever the group was. Yo, they were, you know, dude looks like a lady, and I see a lot of women do that. They just put the little part right there. But as a man, I feel like this. If I didn't have this beard or this mustache, yo, from here I look like a woman. Like, you see that? Like, yo, we gotta stop. You know, and I understand. Like, you have short hair. You just want the hair out your face. You can't put it in a ponytail. You can't wrap it up. I get it, man. I get it, but we gotta stop. Like, especially when your hair is this long, man. Like, I don't know. Like, me personally, I don't wear my dreads out long because, like I said, it looks kind of feminine to me. But for the guys who do it, like, rock it, do your thing, bro. But me personally, it's just my opinion. Don't get so butthurt. Don't get so butthurt, bro. I'm just saying my opinion. Damn. But yo, don't do the little swoop thing. Like, just don't. Like, look at that. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I just look at that. Like, it's a part. Nah, just don't do the swoop. Don't do the little swoop swoop. Just don't do it, okay? Don't do it. Last but not least, the fifth thing that men do that make their hair look a bit feminine is, you know, playing with their hair all day long. Now, fellas, I get it, man. Like, when your hair is short, you got nothing else to do, and you want to sit all day playing with your hair, doing this, retwisting it. But bro, like I've already told you guys, retwisting your hair all the time will damage your hair, okay? The video's up here. Go ahead and watch it, okay? Watch my shit, bro. Last but not least, the fifth thing that guys do with long hair that make them seem a bit feminine is playing with their hair all damn day. Come on, bro. We're men. We don't play with our hair, okay? We play with these women. We play with their hearts. We play with their tits. Play with their souls. Play with their ass, bruh. But you sitting over there in the corner like this, playing with your hair like, bro, grow up. There's no reason you should be fiddling or twisting your hair, bruh. I'm like, yo, if I see a guy just sitting there the whole time playing with his hair, I'm like, bro, you ain't got shit else to do with your life. You just, yo, leave all that hair shit to a woman to do your hair. That's what you go to the salon for. That's what you get a woman to retwist your dreads for, okay? Don't be going in public talking about, bro, I'm gonna look at you like, what your feminine ass doing, bro? Leave your hair alone. I can understand you was out in public, you were just playing with yourself. I'm like, God damn, this nigga don't give a fuck. Damn. Put that dick away, man. Ain't nobody trying to see that shit. Yo, that's masculine as shit. Walking to the mall, you just see a nigga. Yo. I'm gonna get your manly ass out of here with your lonely, desperate ass. I'm stupid. But you understand what I'm saying, yo. Don't let me catch you just twiddling with your hair, man. Just don't let me catch you doing it. I'm like, bro, these two little fingers, like, bro, like, how feminine does that look? Just, yeah. And then you put it to your hair, yeah. Come on, stop it. Playing with your hair in public is a no. Just do that in your own time. You can be feminine in your own time. And there you have it, guys. Those are the 5 things that men do with long hair that make them seem a bit feminine. If you agree with me, man, hit that like button, share this video, man. If you got something to say about it, man, comment down below. But you guys do know this is just my opinion, right? Don't get so, I'm not feminine, but I got a man. But yo, this is just my opinion. I just told you guys I am a victim of that stuff. So, you know, thanks for checking out the video, guys. This is Vinny Matthews here, and I'm out.